What are you cooking today, Joyce?
We're making stir-fried conch. I will show you how to wash it. And then after I wash it, I wrap it in like plastic, put it in the freezer. Then when I cut it, that will be nicer. See? This is the Chinese celery. We don't eat the leaves. I'm going to pick out all the leaves. It's going to be stir-fried. Okay. And then you just need to cut it into like this. Okay. I was going to buy a red pepper for color, but I forgot. I'm going to put some carrot in it. I got a new toy.
That's new?
Yeah. I'm making a mess. I'm going to have a sauce for this. Shrimp paste sauce. Just a few pieces for color. Okay, that's all I need. And then the mushroom, I will cut most of them. Cut the stem out. I'm saving the stem when I make soup, and I will mince it and put it in. Okay. This is a shiitake mushroom. You can use regular mushroom. See, this is the conch that before you wash it, it's like black. It's the intestine here. You can tell, not this side. This side is a little tummy here. Just cut it.
Where'd you get that, Chinatown?
No, I got it in the green market. See this piece here? These need to throw it away. This is the thing to cover the shell. You wash it.
What's all that black stuff? Is that mud?
No, it's not mud. I think it must be some sort of enzyme or something. They protect themselves. And make sure you open it and clean the junk inside. See how white? The edge is still black. You can just grate it. Just throw all this junk away. That's the intestine. They look pretty clean, right? Dry it. And then I wrap it in plastic food wrap. See, like this. Make it long, because then I put it in the freezer. Maybe for an hour, depends on your freezer. See, it's much stiffer.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Like this way, you can cut it really thin. You don't want to stir fry it for too long. See how thin they get?
Yeah.
That's the trick.
Can you use a mandolin juice?
No. No. This is too soft. I want to put some ginger in it too. Oh, I need to make the sauce, remember?
Oh, there's a sauce with it too?
Yeah. Hey, if no sauce, Colvin will not be happy. I want to put some little triangle in it. So, I'm going to mince some ginger for the sauce. This sauce, I just pick it up. This is shrimp paste. Put some sesame oil. A lot of people don't like shrimp paste because it's too strong. Put a pinch of sugar in it. Let's cook the mushroom first. Mushroom take a little bit longer. 1 tablespoon. Wait till it get hot before you throw it in. Okay, I'm going to put a little salt. This salt is from Italy. Hand harvested in the Mediterranean Sea. This will take a little time to heat up. Let it cook. Colvin, you gonna help me clean? He said, heck no. I just want to spread it out a little bit. It might need a little bit more oil. Mushroom and oil. This smells so good. I'll take everything out. When I stir fry, I usually stir fry separate. More tasty. And salt. But not a lot. See how little I put in? You can always salt it. Ginger. This you shouldn't cook it for too long because you want the crunch. Okay. But now also the wok is so much hotter. See? Just for color. Yeah, take it out already. Because when I cook the conch, I will throw this back in. Thickening sauce, half a teaspoon. Cornstarch. Little sugar, a 1/4 cup of water, little bit of liquid amino, little bit of dark soy. Please don't overcook this.
How do you know when it's ready?
It's going to tell you. Make sure the wok is really hot. You might splash. Nobody put this much conch in it. See, it curled up, then it's done. Don't want to overcook this. Become chewy. Put the thickening sauce.
It has shrimp paste in it too?
No, not yet. So I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna add a little shrimp paste. Don't worry, I'm not taking it from the sauce.
I thought you were.
I wouldn't, because you're gonna kill me. There's not enough sauce already. Just a little bit, because you don't want it to be too salty. See how easy? You cook already.
It looks like pad thai noodles.
Oh, but it's no carb. It's all protein. Take it out and I can take a picture.
Oh, the shrimp paste is like a sauce on the side?
Yeah. Because when you go out to eat, they don't give you this much conch. Because conch is expensive. Like the other day, I'm making conch soup for somebody. He said, oh, what a waste. You should stir fry it. It's getting really expensive in Chinatown. But I think this is fresher. It's from the market that the guy just caught it. He usually don't sell it anymore. They were using it to make seafood salad. But I told him that, you know, can you get me some? He said, sure. See, the name Joyce Ho still means something in this town. Oh, and don't waste the sauce.
Exactly.
Stir fry is really quick, right? The prep is the work. Picture time.